if you remember, I think I was showing it to you, but long time ago, right?
I don't think I've ever seen this. Does George know how to get to this part?
I think I showed it to him as well, but I mean, you can always refresh it.
Okay, but I guess you can send the link anyways, right?
Yeah. So I'll email George because I tried to run it in, where is it? On your server, you have the same script. If you see here the cpanel, dev01, wparser2b, but for some reason this wasn't working on your server. There's one setting which maybe George can change.
Okay.
So I have my test server where this is actually the output I wanted to show you for the champion, and then I'll show you the beginning. Or let me start maybe from the beginning, so I will we can come back to this tab in a minute.
Okay.
So going to this URL, there's this small password type k equals k. In order to somebody needs to know that part, the URL. This one gets the data from SS Activewear, right? All the categories and 78 brands. So like you told me to refresh the data for, where is it, champion brand, 80 products. That's the one which I ran in different tab. Here I can show you maybe something smaller, I don't know. Okay, maybe hardware is just 3 products, so that should be pretty fast.
Okay.
You have the whole list of categories, and at the bottom of the screen, you would either enter the brand name or the category, like one of these categories. But this would take longer, yeah, since they are.
Right.
Let's put here one brand name for brand. We have to check that mark, and let's see if there are images. Just click start, and I don't know how. If you're familiar with some commands on the Linux server, maybe you're not very familiar, but this is the script, and the images are saved here in the images folder. So when the script is running, I just check with one command the size of images. Is there anything being downloaded? Because on the page itself, when I switch back to the tab, or maybe this one finished already, but the champion script was running for 10 minutes and it's not showing any progress on the page itself, So this one did finish in a few seconds probably. So it's displaying the hardware, the brand which we chosen.
I was actually running the all import script earlier. It just finished like 5 minutes ago, believe it or not. Do you think that could have been it also?
No, that's different thing.
Okay. But so you'll let George know what to fix?
Yes. I'll
Okay.
So when this one runs, you will have basically DTLA print /W parser. And I can maybe change that name to SSA instead of the number, so you know that this is for SS Activewear. So this brand actually, okay, this one has all the images, as you can see, front, back, side, the swatch. And at the bottom of the page, then it creates that XML which I used later to import the product into your WordPress. So for the champion, I just saved the XML on my disk. For this one, we can just click and see. Yeah, it just creates that old structure which we defined earlier. The description, the styling, and the prices, right?
But this is how you were getting it into our database?
Yeah, that's the XML which I saved on the disk and then imported from this XML to WordPress, right?
I mean, oh, because you gave us because we imported something to FileMaker, right?
Yeah, so from this one I sometimes opened in Excel and saved as CSV file. Then I send you, I think, CSV.
Okay.
DB imported, yeah. But like for example, now for the champion, this is the tab which I did champion. So this product, for example, has all the colors and images, but then when I was scrolling, I saw a lot of missing styles for them. You can basically, upload all these images which are here, and some are maybe newer, but as you can see, still a lot of them are missing in this brand.
Yeah.
And so I saved that as XML I have here, and then so you asked about the updated prices, which are here, and
I guess, but sorry,
try
the prices one,
and see if they can be easily updated from that file, because the prices you see are not one, but for all the sizes, I guess. So I have to check if I can just take one price for
No, that's fine. That's even better if you have it like that. Just like that is perfect.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, so
I guess, but for the prices, can you send it to? But can we have all the products for the prices?
These are all for the champion brand.
Oh yeah, so we only wanted the images for the champion brand, but the prices for all products.
Prices for all of them.
Yeah, and only the images for champion.
Yeah, okay, so how did I do it last time? Yeah, I guess I can select like a few categories like headwear, outwear, and where's the field? Basically comma separated categories. I can run it for a few of them, but I would have to modify the script so it does not download images if you don't need all of them now.
Yeah, so we just need the price, yeah.
These are the prices for all of them.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, I can run it later today.
Okay, and then so and so you'll save the XML file as a CSV.
So do you want to update prices in FileMaker first, right?
Yes, correct. Yes.
Okay, so I would have to open it, somehow transform in Excel.
But that comma separated value for the prices, that's perfect.
Mm-hmm. Okay, yeah, but because this is for the sizes which are getting.
Yeah.
Find somewhere. They are in this spectator. As here are sizes. So sizes and prices and product ID. I guess between you would need one price for product, not for each of the color. Yeah, I guess.
No, actually, each of the colors has a different price.
So for each of the style, okay.
Yeah.
So style ID as well.
I guess really just the style ID and the price, it would work. Because I think we can match it up based on the style ID.
Yeah, exactly. Okay, yeah, I mean, to recall how I did that some time ago in Excel, should be possible.
Okay.
For prices, yeah, so then I'll email George as well to check if he can make it run from your server.
Okay. Alright, thank you, Conrad.
Okay, so let me know if any questions in future, and I guess that's it. I mean, you just run the script, save the XML, and then download the images are here in the folder, so you have to download them somehow as well, but that George can figure it out, I guess.
Okay.
All right.
Yeah, I recorded the screen. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you,
Thank
Condor.
you.
Have a good day.